Hello followers, this is Amy. Today's new version is about jumping and gravity, which means this project will be like a real platformer that you can play normally, but the player's animation is fully added. If you want, wait until the next version. Remember to join our Discord server and try the game. Get the link under the video. Let's make some space. The player movement script will be here. Then I'll duplicate the south direction script and move it down here. We need some variables for things like gravity. It's 0.8. The jump speed is -1. For gravity, we need a method. I name it apply gravity. The direction change can make the player drop down. The most important thing, display it. So here, change the rect y. Place the method to update so it'll update the gravity settings. So what about jumping? When the key input was W, for this, let's create another method. Just name it jump. It's really simple for now. Oh, so we're jumping though we can jump without staying on the ground. We can also move left and right. It just feels like Flappy Bird, but we can go left. But this isn't Flappy Bird. We need to collide levels so the game can be more realistic. Here comes the new method again. I can't move around. I might have forgot something. The collision should happen if the player's nearby tiles. That's where a problem comes from. Well, the scripts do work, but that's not enough. The player flies away when they touch the level. New collision scripts, I won't explain again. This one is similar to the last one. Run it. I change a little so the player won't be so sticky. For the player scripts, I didn't code so much, so you need to wait till the next version. Anyway, thanks for watching. You can get the game link under the video.